Hey, what's good, everybody? I want to welcome you back to another session here at Genetic Leadership where we are helping you to persevere every day. So let's get hyped. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that a lot of new leaders, they struggle with and have challenges with this, and that is the task of delegation. So if you're drowning in tasks or you're overwhelmed and then you see a whole team that you have that is underutilized, then just stick around because today, hopefully, you'll get some tips that help you fix that. My name is Dr. Gene A. White Jr. I'm a leadership coach, higher ed executive, and also the founder of Genetic Endeavors and this channel you see here, Genetic Leadership. And I help stressed and emerging leaders to redesign their leadership DNA so that they can stop second guessing themselves, they can lead with clarity, and also build a legacy that lasts. Now, whether you're running a team, managing a classroom, or starting your own business or running your business, I just want you to know I see you and I'm here to help. Let's go. New leaders, they often fail at delegation because the way they look at it, they see it as just offloading tasks onto others. But that's not the case. You see, delegation, it isn't just about dumping work on others. It's actually about distributing trust and also building leaders, building up your team, showing them that you care, showing them that you trust in their capabilities and their competencies. Now, when we get this wrong, we end up feeling overwhelmed, we end up micromanaging, and also we end up missing out on our team's untapped potential. I remember as a young leader, actually even years into my leadership journey, I struggled with delegation. I often felt that if I handed off a task, that there was this chance that it wouldn't get done right, then I'd spend more time just going back to correct the issue instead of just doing it myself in the first place. Here's the thing. That was a problem. That was an issue because even though it might have been easier for me to just do it in the first place, that mindset caused me a lot of procrastination and then also frustration because I had to prioritize everything that I should have delegated off along with the things that I really did need to take care of myself as the leader of the department, division, or system. I found myself in a bad place. I was questioning why I even took on the responsibilities myself because I was so overwhelmed, so frustrated, so tired, and I felt like I had a mountain of tasks on a hill that I couldn't even climb. Now, it took me about 6 or 7 years to realize that effective delegation, it wasn't just about offloading work and tasks onto my team. It was actually about developing them and making them stronger leaders, making them and helping them to get better. Once I embraced that, everything changed for me and for my team. So let's break down the delegation ecosystem into 4 pillars. Number 1, clarity of self. Know what you can do and know what you can let go of. Because if everything is your job, then nothing really is your job. Number 2, operational integrity. Don't just hand off tasks, hand off outcomes with clear processes. Delegation without systems is chaos. Now, I've really come to enjoy and lean on number 3, and that is relational intelligence. Build trust through your team with delegation and know their strengths and give them the support that they need without hovering over them. And number 4, evolution mindset. Treat delegation as a leadership development tool. Each task that you delegate helps your team member grow. Build feedback loops that help you to coach and not just to correct. Ready to put this into action? Well, here's a quick 3-day challenge that's going to help you to sharpen up your developmental or your delegation skills. Day 1, identify a task that you're holding on to that someone else can easily do. Day 2, create a success snapshot. What is the goal? What does success look like? And what context does your team member need? And then day 3, delegate it. But once you delegate it, then check in, provide the support that your team needs, and then watch as your workload transforms and so does the development of your team's growth. Now remember, delegation isn't a sign of weakness. It is a signal of your leadership strength. So let go, trust your team, and watch how you all rise. Now, if you want to learn more about genetic endeavors, genetic leadership, or the community that we have, then come over and see us at the Pinnacle Circle, where we have a community of leaders just like yourselves, that we don't just talk about leadership, we actually live it out. So I want to invite you, come and join us, come join the conversation, and don't just settle for your potential. Let's reach the pinnacle. Peace.